RSM has signed the UN Women Empowerment Principles, under which we are committing to women empowerment, diversity and inclusion in the workplace, and ensuring that women's voices are heard. Through this, we are able to also support our own South African initiatives under empowerment, diversity and inclusion.
Pledging RSM South Africa to the UN Women Empowerment Principles was a natural alignment with our core values. We are committed to implementing targeted initiatives and programs that empower women at every level of our firm. We strive to create a culture where women are not only included, but also given resources and support to excel and lead. We have identified and developed policies that are supportive of women and empowering them to grow professionally and in their personal lives.
And we are ensuring that all our principles, all our policies, and everything that we do from day to day supports the growth of women within the network, supports the growth of women leaders, and also ensures that we have an environment that is conducive for every woman to thrive.
Our commitment to women's empowerment is reflected in our policies and in our recruitment, retention, and promotion practices, ensuring that our workplace remains diverse, equitable, and inclusive.